Hi everybody, Andrew Cherin, attorney at law here. I'm a Seattle personal injury lawyer and I represent people who are injured in car accidents. And today I want to talk to you about PTSD following car accidents. PTSD, otherwise known as post-traumatic stress disorder, is something that a lot of people deal with when they're injured in a car accident, and they may not know the symptoms of it or how to treat it exactly because of one of numerous reasons. But generally, symptoms of PTSD include fear and anxiety of driving related activities, riding in the car, um, anything kind of related to those type of symptoms is generally associated with the car accident that someone's just been in. So a lot of my clients who've been injured in a car accident deal with PTSD symptoms, and it can last a long period of time if not initially treated. And a lot of my clients have a good prognosis when they go to a psychologist or psychiatrist, and they talk about their symptoms and deal with what they're going through, and just kind of let out um, emotionally, physically, and mentally what they've gone through with such a traumatic incident, such as a car accident injury case. A lot of times these car accidents aren't just mere rear end car accidents. They're big, giant accidents where, this car is coming from nowhere on the right side of them, blindsides them, or from the left side T-bones them, and they're in the hospital, and they remember everything that's going on, and all of a sudden, you're dealing with all these symptoms, like you're worrying all the time, you got anxiety, you're anxious, you're, you're fearful of everything, loud noises, um, cars, sitting in a car, thinking about driving, nightmares at night waking you up, all these things. But the best way to get rid of these things is to deal with them with a trained professional. A psychologist, a psychiatrist can really help, just talking through a lot of the problems that you're going through, and have done wonders for my clients who have been in a car accident. A lot of people have been in car accidents, so they just kind of like deal with these symptoms, and eventually they do go away. But why not get the treatment and heal now instead of wait years down the line and have to deal with all this stress and anxiety that you possibly could have got rid of by going to a psychologist or psychiatrist for a month or two, maybe even 3, and just kind of dealing with those issues at that point. And it's all compensated for. The biggest thing you got to know about is the expenses of medical bills are all going to be covered if it's traced back to the car accident. And so, PTSD is definitely one of the things that's compensatable in a car accident injury case. So go get the treatment you need. Go talk to a trained professional and get back on the road, get back to enjoying life and doing the things that you love versus worrying, having all this anxiety all the time, because it's there, and whether you want to admit it or not, it's from the car accident. There are things that you can do to help relieve these symptoms by talking to a trained professional. So I represent people who are injured in car accidents, like I said. So if you're in one, I give free consultations. So give me a call. My number is 206-850-6716. If you want to learn more information about car accident injuries, tips, tricks, liability issues, what to go through, visit my website, www.lawsharing.com, and hope you're doing well.